Judgment has been reserved in the case of Henry Okah, the man convicted of plotting terrorism in Nigeria. Okah was appealing his jail term in the Supreme Court of Appeal in Bloemfontein. He was convicted by the South Gauteng High Court in 2013, this stemming from his plotting a terror attack in Nigeria in 2010. 12 people were killed and 35 injured in car bombs in Abuja on October the 1st, 2010. Okah was arrested in Johannesburg a day after that. Senior counsel J.P. Murray says the investigating officer misinterpreted Okah's statements. This after Okah had told him that there is nothing stopping him from attacking South African interests in Nigeria. Murray has submitted to the appeals court that Okah made those utterances because he was bitterly disgusted by the treatment that he was getting from his then legal team. In response, the state senior counsel, Tory Pretorius, has argued that Okah had given instructions for the commission of the Abuja bombings from South Africa, which makes that an act of international terrorism. All right, well, let's get more now on what came out of the court this morning. We crossed to our reporter, Palesa Moeti, who's live from Bloemfontein. Palesa, good afternoon to you. So this appeal is really on the grounds of jurisdiction, whether or not South African courts can preside over crimes in Nigeria.
Yes, indeed. Just before the court adjourned, we heard submissions from the senior counsel from the state, Tory Pretorius, who said that South Africa had every right to prosecute Henry Okah, or rather Henry Okah. In his submissions, he said that Mr. Okah had planned the incidents, the bombing incidents from South Africa, and that the financing had also been done from South Africa. That is in particular for the October 1st, 2010 bombings. He also said that the March bombings were also planned from South Africa, and that classifies that as an international crime, or rather international terrorism. Now, joining us right now is the wife of Mr. Henry Okah, Mrs. Okah. Mrs. Okah, you're quite emotional earlier. Just take us through that. What was going on through your mind?
It was actually the part where they said, my husband said some things in anger to Zeman, and they brought it up. And, you know, I felt it wasn't quite proper because he was angry, just like I'm definitely angry now. And I can say, I want to kill you because I'm angry, I want my husband out. So the threats he says he made, I love South Africa. Nothing's happened to South Africa, and I don't think it's... I've been here for 10 years, more than 10 years, and I love here. I intend to be a citizen if granted, and, you know, I don't think it's his business. Yeah, so that's one thing that actually got me down. To use that to judge him was not, I don't think was fair.
What sort of outcome are you hoping to see?
Fairness. I have hope. I haven't lost hope, and yeah, I pray he comes out based on the rights here. You know, I don't think they have the rights to take him down here. Yeah.
Talking about fairness, do you think that so far the court proceedings have been fair?
Yeah, I saw the two sides. I got very nervous, you know, when, you know, yeah, I think it will be okay eventually, and we'll fight on. We'll just fight on. I'm not going to lose hope. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
That is Mrs. Okah, the wife of Henry Okah, who is appealing here in the Supreme Court of Appeal. With that, it's back to you in the studio.
Palesa, thank you very much. Palesa Moeti, live from Bloemfontein.